That's the hot water straight in the pot. Right there. All good vibes. So we're gonna make a beautiful cup of tea this evening. And it's making from fresh thyme. All the ingredients is fresh and natural. Yeah. Lovely. So it is boiling, and that's what we need. So first thing what we're going to do is this. We're going to put 2, 3, 6, 9 cloves into the water like this. Not too much cloves. Okay? And then we are going to put some lemon in the water. Okay? And then we're going to turn off the cooker. Turn off the cooker, guys. And we don't want it to boil like making soup. After you put in that, then what you want to do, you want to get the fresh thyme and put in the fresh thyme. We are using probably about a tablespoon of fresh thyme right here. 1 lemon and 9 cloves. Put that in straight into the water like that. Thyme is good for you guys. Whole heap of benefit this right here. So you can get 2 cups of tea from this. Alright. Now, ginger. We're using a tablespoon of fresh Jamaican ginger. Alright? If you can't get ginger, you need to go to Jamaica and get ginger right now. It's the best time to go to Jamaica. Alright? So we're gonna put the ginger in it. Lovely. Rinse out that, Chef Ricardo. Look at that. That's the ginger. Put all of that ingredients together in the pot. And mix everything together. You get 2 nice lovely cup of tea right here. But look at that. That's what we're talking about. Natural. 100% natural. 100% effective. 100% healthy. 100% good for the immune system overall. Right? Vitamin C from the lemon, the thyme, the ginger, everything. You drink this, never heal again. Yeah. Drink this 30 days. 1 in the morning, 1 tonight, the next cup in the morning. And then in the night you make another one. You do it back and forth for 30 days. Alright? So that's all the ingredients I use. So you must see how much ingredients I use. Watch the video and you will understand what's going on right there. A good vibes. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful, simple, delicious. Everything what you're looking for is right here. Never sick again once you drink this. Yeah, beautiful one. It's just amazing drink, guys. And it's just something which you can drink at home and it's going to help you. Alright? It's going to help you. 100% it's going to help. Doesn't matter what you think, it's going to help. It's something I know. Wow, so nice. Alright, so we got the ingredients again. We can name out the ingredients. 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, if you cut it up like this. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and 9 cloves, 2 cups of hot water. And cook this about 10 minutes. Drink it for 30 days. Double yourself, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Special, and we have 9 cloves in it. Special this time of year, you need this. Yeah, you need this, guys, this time of year. If you don't believe me, do your research on that. Yeah, you can do your research on it. And then you will understand. Beautiful cup of tea. Ready people them there. Only that the amount of likes we have but a good vibes. And then too for stressy people in the more. Alright. Yeah man. So you guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen this evening. Are you having a cough or a cold? Are you having a sore throat? Drink this. Very good for sore throat. And it's very good for mucus. Alright? So if you're looking for something to help you at home, I'm going to tell you, don't go anywhere further than this right here. 100% it's going to help you. Alright? Yes. Ginger, lemon, and some fresh thyme and cloves. 2 cups of hot water are good vibes. Look at that. This is amazing and fantastic. Ah, smell that, man. So beautiful. Yeah. And it's simple. So simple like a recipe, but also very effective at home. That if you're looking for something to help you guys. If you're not looking for something to help you, doesn't make sense you even watch the video. You're wasting your time. Straight up. No if and but. If you're looking for something to help you, you're at the right place. We're going to take off this off the heat. So we got breaking news. Remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys, okay? Please support and share the love and good vibes. All right? And also remember the link is there to support the Jamaican community, what we are doing right now. Lots of people reach out to me, oh, Chef Ricardo, what you pour off this beautiful cup of tea, and we're gonna close out the show on a simple go way tonight. There we go. Beautiful. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Look at that. This is good. Don't throw that, guys. Keep it for number 2. Part 2, all right? Get some organic honey and put inside of it. You have to use good honey. Excellent. Beautiful cup of tea. Now, if you are looking for something fantastic and amazing, then this is what you want to make at home, all right? 100%. Something really good and an amazing. Drink it for 30 days and, you know what I mean, be happy and be grateful for this recipe, and thank God that dear Chef Ricardo is here. God give us knowledge and wisdom where we can share the love to one another and to help one another a good vibe.